How to create QQ account or the QQ International sign up. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you on how you can go ahead and make your own QQ account internationally. Now, you can go ahead and do this method on your mobile devices, your laptop, or in my case, on my computer. And to get started, you can just go ahead and open up your web browser. Now, right after opening up your web browser, you can just go ahead and search for create QQ account. It will then go ahead and take us to this page right here, the QQ registration. It is going to be on the Chinese format. Now, to get started, all you have to do is to go ahead and type your nickname, your password, the telephone number that you are using. Unfortunately, this is the only available telephone numbers that they are currently using. It is the China, Hong Kong, Macau, Taiwan. And right after entering your number, you can just click on I have read and agree to the Tencent QQ service agreement and privacy policy. From there, just click on the sign up now button and you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.